Want to turn your boring animations into interactive quizzes that actually engage your audience? First, let's create a new ActionScript 30 document in Adobe Animate. This sets the stage for all the interactive elements we'll be adding. Name your file, choose your resolution, and frame rate. Now, let's design our question layout. Use the rectangle tool to create buttons for your answer choices. Add text fields for the question and each possible answer. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. We can adjust the design later. Select each of your answer buttons and convert them into symbols, making sure to choose the button type. Give each button a unique instance name, like BTN-A, BTN-B, and BTN-C. This is crucial for ActionScript to recognize them later. Time to add the brains. Open the Actions panel and start writing ActionScript code to handle what happens when each button is clicked. We'll need to add event listeners to our buttons, then create a function that checks if the selected answer is correct. Continue adding more questions and navigation buttons to help the user cycle through the quiz. Create variables to keep track of the current question and the user's score. Display the score at the end of the test. Test your movie often. Select Control greater than test to make sure your code is working correctly and your interactive elements are responding as expected. Refine the design and functionality as needed. Now you have the knowledge to make interactive quizzes in Adobe Animate.